Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your Twitch account with Amazon Prime step by step clearly. To register your Twitch account with Amazon Prime, you first need to ensure you have an active Amazon Prime membership. If you do not have an Amazon Prime account, visit the Amazon website and sign up for a membership. Once your Amazon Prime account is set up, go to the Twitch website or open the Twitch app on your device. If you don't already have a Twitch account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Fill in your desired username, password, and other required information. After you complete the sign-up form, verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from Twitch. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your Twitch account. Now, return to the Twitch website or app and log in with your new credentials. Once you are logged in, go to the Twitch Prime page. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner, then selecting Twitch Prime from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to link your Amazon Prime account to your Twitch account. Click on the Link Account button to proceed. A new window will open, asking for your Amazon account credentials. Enter your Amazon email address and password, then click on Sign In. After logging in, you may be asked to confirm the linking of your Twitch and Amazon accounts. Review the details and click Confirm to finalize the process. Once linked, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your accounts are now connected. Now you can enjoy the benefits of Twitch Prime, including free channel subscriptions and exclusive in-game loot. Remember to check back regularly for new perks and offers available through your Twitch Prime membership. You have successfully registered your Twitch account with Amazon Prime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate, and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.